Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy and welcome back to another video. So real quick, hit that subscribe button if you want to see my future videos and I'd really appreciate it. So today I got my squad box. So here it is. I'm so excited. I know what's in it. I know it's the Disney stuff, but I've been holding off looking at other people's stuff until I got my own so that it would be more exciting to see what was in it. So this is the box that came late last night. I think he delivered it at like 7:30, like so late. So I opened it up and this is what's inside. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Also, let me note real quick that this bubble wrap in here is recyclable, so that is amazing. What you do is you just take the air out, you just pop it, take the air out, and then you can drop it off at the grocery store where you would drop off like your bread bags to be recycled. So that's what I do every time. So I thought I would just quickly mention that. Okay, so here we go. The collab between Disney and the Happy Planner. I think this is the biggest collaboration that they've ever been a part of. So this is so exciting. And this collection comes out on October 4th on Joann's websites. I think it's gonna start at midnight that night or the day before, or at midnight. And then on the Happy Planner website, it's gonna be up that morning of October 4th. Just like their normal releases. Also, I'm gonna have my links down below if you want to purchase through my link. I do get a small commission from that, so that's an amazing way that you could support me without any extra cost to you by just using my link if you're gonna purchase any of this stuff. If you don't, then that's totally fine. If you just wanna watch and see what we got, then that is great too. Thanks so much for being here. So first of all, this box is so cute. You got Minnie and Mickey up here, like how adorable. But let me go ahead and get into it. So you get a cute Mickey sticker with some cute red polka dot tissue paper. I don't know if this is how they're gonna pack it for when you purchase something. I don't think so, but anyway, it was just cute. So here we go. I guess stickers first, right? So this is a tiny pad of stickers, comes with 30 of them, and I'll go ahead and do another video with the flip through of these stickers, but I'm just going to show you what I got this time. So mini tiny pad of stickers. Next is Mickey discs. So these are classic size or medium. Comes with 11, so you could put it on a big planner if you want. If you put it on your classic, you're gonna have 2 left over. But how cute! Love them. Amazing. Okay, next is the planner accessories. So 89 pieces. Super cute. I really like how not super colorful it is right now. It's all nice and neutral, so I really like this. So you get sticky notes here up top or up front. They come on a little plastic piece that you can pop in your planner too, so that's really nice. Comes with this bookmark. Amazing. It looks like a sheet or 2 of stickers, I think 2. A folder, and I'll show you the rest on the back. So like I said, sticky notes, the folder, the bookmark. It looks like there's 2 pages there. Like you can see a little line. I'll have to open up. I'll do a flip through of this as well and go in detail. And then you get these daily pages. So that's really exciting. I'm excited to open that up and see those. And there's like an hourly calendar. Oh, I really like that. So that is the accessories. I might have to grab another one of those on release day. Okay, next is a planner. So vertical layout. This is the one. I believe that I picked this one to receive, and it's like the Minnie and Mickey in Love. Vertical layout comes on gold glitter discs, so that's really cute. Matches the gold foil on the cover. And it's a vertical layout, and it looks like you get the Mickeys at the top. Again, I'll do a flip through of this, and I'll do a flip through of everything. Just look out for that video. It should be coming very soon. So next is these pen holders. So these are awesome. So you put your pen in that loop right there, and then you can wrap it around your planner. So that's really nice. Also, I've discovered from this pen loop that it fits around my head very nicely, so you could wear it as a headband if you really wanted. Okay, next, Some half sheets. It says take note, has Minnie in the corner. Super cute. Okay, a block pad. Oh, I didn't know that this was available. I don't know if I don't know who else got this yet, but so you got Minnie in the corner here, you got a yellow border, and then there's like some light gray like confetti coming out of her hand, and the stars and Mickey's in the confetti. Super cute. So also let me just tell you that everyone on the squad is getting a slightly different box. So go check out their videos too, because they might have some different stuff, which, well, I know they have different stuff because there's a few different planners and there's a few different sticker books and stuff like that. Okay, so Happy Notes, dotted line paper. And I'm really glad I got Minnie. So that's really nice. I also like how neutral this is. Just black and white and rose gold. So pretty. Dotted line, polka dots on the back. Ooh, how cute! Again, I'll include this in flip throughs. You get a sticker book. Amazing. I'm really excited to see that. Again, flip through. Let's see, another Happy Notes. This is a guided journal for budget, so that's interesting. I don't know if there's been a budget one. It probably has, and I just don't know. But cool. I'm excited to see what these prompts are like. You got Minnie on the cover in black plain discs, plastic. And then dashboards. Cute. You get 3 dashboards. You get a bookmark and then Minnie and Mickey. So super cute, and they're clear. I like that you can like see through. So that is my squad box, you guys. So amazing. Budget Happy Notes, guided journal, dashboard, sticker book, regular Happy Notes, block pad, classic half sheets, some pen holders. You got the planner, of course, Mickey discs, the tiny pad of stickers, and the planner accessories. So thank you so much for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button if you want to see my future videos, and go check out the rest of the squad's unboxings because we all have something different. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.